click the link below to schedule a test drive.
It's a 2016 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. E equals innovation into style, and it's always setting the standard. However, the formula for sporty luxury in this E-Class is anything but formulaic. The design is chiseled and confident, the cabin is elegant and sporty, with power front seats with memory, dual-zone climate control, and the command system tailoring the ride to suit you specifically. Your safety is also at the forefront, with Collision Prevention Assist Plus, Attention Assist, and Embrace.
The Sport Package prepares for you an even greater driving experience. Program garage door openers, gates, and lighting systems with HomeLink. The blind spot indicator helps you maneuver through traffic.
Are you ready to be instantly recognized? Drive this E-Class home today.
Come experience luxury the Germain way at Mercedes-Benz of Easton, conveniently located at Easton Town Center.